Yo, what's up everyone? So today I'm going to do a review on the Pudgy Penguins Huggable Plushes. And for those who don't know, this one was actually featured in one of Kai's videos. For those who don't know who Kai is and is living under a rock, I'll put the clip right here.
Who is this from? Oh shit. Join the huddle. Whoa, wait. Huggable Plush. Wait, it's a digital game. What the fuck? Damn, this shit cute as hell. Yo, this shit cute as hell.
Okay, so because of that, I'm going to unbox this one. I'm going to show you this one and this one. There are 4 total, as it shows right here on the back of the box. But what's cool with these is if you look on the side of the box, it says join the huddle, digital experience included. What does that mean? Well, with each Pudgy Penguin comes with a certificate like this. And if you see there is a little QR code, well, that leads you to Pudgy World. You don't need these to play the game, but they enable you to have special traits for your Pudgy in the world. I'm gonna put a clip right here of an unboxing of the traits, and I'm all look here. Let's see, maybe we get something nicer. Okay, we're back to going with the bad luck. Oh, nope. Ooh, puffer vest, rare. Okay. So with the traits themselves, you can actually put them on your penguin. So when you play in-game, the mini... So now that you've seen how the Pudgy World traits work, here's a little clip of what Pudgy World really is and how the gameplay is gonna look like. But all the toys are available for purchase right now. But with that, let's get into the unboxing. So of course, with each one, it does come with a certificate. But when it comes to the Huggable Plush itself, all there is an attachment in the back. You can use scissors or you can just snap it off like this. So you might be asking yourself like, yo, Kane, why are you reviewing plushies? Well, to me, plushies are not for me to cuddle with in bed, but they're actually like collectibles and cool to display in my room. For example, I got this Cause Uniqlo Elmo. These, you know, they gain value over time because Cause is well known. Well, Pudgy Penguins is starting off, so I'd say like these are like the first editions. And you know what? Maybe in the future they'll go up in value. If not, these are super cool to have in my room as a display. Also on the plush, it comes with this tag, which you can cut off or you can just take off like that. Really easy. And then, so here's a look at the plush 360 view. The toque, you can actually like kind of remove it. It is sewn, so I'm not gonna like rip it off, but you can also, the robe, you can kind of take it off, but again, it's sewn, so that's up to you, you know. You could technically remove the traits themselves, but personally, I do like this combination. So let me just put that back on. It looks a little silly, but yeah, super cool. These are available, I think, like in Canada where I'm at Toys R Us's and different stores. I'll try to link them in the bio for people that are interested. And also, don't forget about Pudgy World. I'll also leave links in the bio on how you can actually play and experience the game because it is free to play. All the traits do is, of course, make your Pudgy Penguin look cooler. So yeah, that's it for the video. Again, what I said, there are 4 more. So we got this fisherman right here. And then we got like the superhero Pudgy one right here. From all of the 4, this is my favorite. Also, you know, this is the most popular in my opinion. And with that, make sure to subscribe. And if you're interested in Pudgy World's content or Pudgy Penguins, I do have more plushes and items to review. So make sure to subscribe and have a great day. Bye.